This online training course might make you fall in love with maths. Hello friends, you're watching our YouTube channel Rimsha TV and I'm your host Dr. Salia Tariq. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for updates. Maths is hard, especially if you haven't dealt with number for a long time. It's never too late to rekindle your relationship with the subject though. You just need a little help getting started. You may have slaked off in school and university, but you're an adult now. With this learning bundle and more time at home on your hands, you can beef up your knowledge in algebra, statistics, and calculus. All of the above can help you break into engineering. If you are thinking of making a change, or they can simply provide you with some bragging rights for your CV. The online bundle is comprised of 9 courses, all of which are led by real-life engineers with their expert instruction. The idea is that you can finally grasp maths in a way that your teacher couldn't help you with. No offense. Expect to gain a better understanding of concepts like functions, limits, derivatives, vectors, and their applications, variable integrals, differential equations, linear algebra, statistics, and so much more. There is even a course dedicated to electric circuits, which could prove to be useful if you have plans of exploring electrical engineering. Is maths actually fun? It's time to find out. The bundle usually retails for £900, but for a limited time, you can get it on sale for £21.80.